Hey y'all, it's Anitra Mortimer here. I'm currently working remotely in human resources and I've been in the HR field for about 13 years. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to land a work from home job in human resources in as little as 4 weeks for a tiny fraction of the cost and time of attending a college or a university. And that's by using an online course and certification through coursecareers.com, one of the most popular online learning platforms out there for starting new careers, which I'll be reviewing here. Now, let me keep it real with you. I'm a career coach for Course Careers. So if you join the HR program, you'll have access to work directly with me. You might think that makes me biased because I'm connected to the platform. But let me tell you, I became a coach because I'm so passionate about helping people start careers in HR without going through the same debt and wasted time with college that I did. This course will genuinely work, and that's why I'm recommending it. So let me share my take from someone who's been in the field for about 13 years and helps students land these jobs every day. I started my HR journey making about $35K as a credentialing specialist after graduating college. So fast forward to today, and my salary range is 65 to 75K as a healthcare recruiter in talent acquisition. But here's what's really changed my life working from home. I wake up at 6, I get my kids and myself ready, I drop them to school, hit the gym, and start work at about 9 a.m. If one of my kids needs to be picked up at about 1:30, I can do that and I can still come back and finish up my day. When my kids are sick, I don't have to call out from work. And this is just giving me the flexibility I need as a mom, and it's priceless. And it's exactly what human resources roles can offer you. So let me tell you about Course Careers. They offer a totally different approach than traditional college or expensive boot camps. You pay $4.99 one time compared to over $100,000 for a college degree. And for that, you get industry-aligned training created by professionals actually working in HR right now. And instead of spending 4 years in classrooms, you can be job ready in 1 to 3 months and start earning while everyone at college is studying for midterms. Course Careers has a 4.8 rating on Career Karma and 4.9 on Course Report. And they've helped thousands of people land new jobs without any previous experience. The reason their courses work so well is because they partner with experts currently in the industry to create training based on exactly what employers want. So when you first look at Course Careers, you'll see all the different careers they teach. They've got information like starting salary and difficulty to land a job to help you decide which path is right for you. If you happen to click on success stories, you can see real people's stories, maybe someone who was in a situation similar to yours who successfully transitioned into HR. You can get insights from their experiences. So let me walk you through the HR course. But first, if you're not sure if HR is the right option for you, here's something that can help you out right now for free. There's a free introduction course that teaches you everything you'd want to know before choosing HR as a career. It teaches you why it's such a great career, what you'd actually be doing on a day-to-day basis, and what your work life would look like. Then it's going to teach you what you need to learn and to do to land your first position without having a degree or experience. So just so you know, this is all completely free. There's a ton of nuggets here that you should sign up for if you haven't already. And here's what the career path in human resources looks like. You start as a junior recruiter or HR coordinator, making around 45 to 50K. Then you could advance to an HR generalist or recruiter in the 65 to 75K range. And eventually, you're going to reach positions like senior VP of HR where you can make like 6 figures. So let's talk about what it looks like once you've enrolled in the course. The course, it's self-paced, and most students will complete it in 4 to 12 weeks, depending on how much time they dedicate each week. So section 1 is your course intro, where you're getting welcomed into the program, you're checking out all the resources that you would have access to, and you start building up your LinkedIn profile right away. Section 2 is going to cover legal compliance, and trust me, this part is crucial. You'll learn about anti-discrimination laws like Title VII and the ADA, employee benefits, and rights including FMLA, workplace standards like FLSA, and OSHA and labor relations. This foundation is what keeps both you and your company safe. Section 3 is going to teach you skills you'll need like professionalism, how you should carry yourself as an HR pro, influencing the people who matter, active listening, emotional intelligence, and professional communication. These are the soft skills that'll make you effective in HR. Section 4. Now you're going to start diving into the recruitment and hiring. This is one of the biggest areas that you're going to work in. You're going to learn how to partner with your hiring managers, creating structured interview processes, use the applicant tracking systems, find candidates using the Boolean searches. You're going to run phone screens, and you're going to do reference checks. So this is where you're going to spend most of your time if you work in HR. Section 5 is going to cover onboarding, offboarding, including how to set up new employees so they can be effective right away, creating a clear onboarding experience. You're going to learn how to handle exit interviews, manage resignations, and navigate sensitive situations, terminations, and layoffs. Now, Section 6 is going to teach you compensation and benefits. This is how you figure out fair pay, build compensation philosophies, understand health insurance options like HMOs and PPOs, manage retirement plans, handle PTO policies, and run open enrollment. Now, Section 7 is going to focus on employee relations, including HRIS systems, proactive HR strategies, performance reviews, documentation, and performance improvement plans. So that section is going to be about keeping positive workplace relationships alive. Section 8 addresses diversity, equity, and inclusion, which is getting more and more important in today's workplace. You're going to learn DEI strategies, how to support employee resource groups, understand and manage bias, and navigate cultural differences, which is especially important when you're managing remote teams. Section 9 covers employee engagement. Here's where you understand what organizational culture really is, how leadership is actually going to shape the culture, employee engagement surveys, and pulse surveys to keep your teams motivated. Section 10 is going to teach about training and development, including running and needing assessments, developing training programs, career development planning, and using learning management systems. Section 11 is going to get you ready for ethical dilemmas and sensitive challenges, like handling lawsuits, running investigations, managing sexual harassment cases, and navigating tough situations when the company screws up. Section 12 covers workforce analytics. You're going to learn how to measure offer acceptance rates, like time to fill, turnover rates, employee engagement metrics, productivity, diversity metrics, and performance ratings. Nowadays, you need to understand the HR numbers and what they mean. A lot of these skills work perfectly in remote settings. In fact, over 60% of HR jobs now offer remote or hybrid options, which makes this one of the best fields if you want to work from home opportunities. Whether you're onboarding someone remotely, running virtual interviews, or managing HRIS systems from your home office, this course gets you ready for the remote HR setup. The course creators also regularly check in with employers to make sure the content stays current with what the hiring managers are actually looking for. But the next thing Course Careers provides might be even more valuable than the course. You get access to incredible support system. You can connect and learn with other students going through the same journey as you through the Discord community, which is active 24/7. So you can get answers to your questions, see how others are progressing through the course in job search, meet with peers, and learn from each other's experiences. When you're stuck on something at 11 p.m., you're not alone. The community will be there. Then there is coaching, which is a game changer. Being able to get coached by someone who is currently working where you want to be is so valuable. College instructors often haven't worked in the field, or if they did, it was 10, 20, or sometimes 30 years ago. So they can't help you as much in today's job market. That's why the coaches who are active in the industry, like me, or the course instructor Madeline Mann, who's got over 400,000 subscribers on YouTube, knows what's happening in the industry, what you need to learn, and what employers are looking for right now. We can help you if you get stuck somewhere, or get on a call to help you create your resume and LinkedIn specifically for remote HR positions, making sure it has all the correct keywords and formatting for the industry. And we know how to get you hired fast. Alexander, he landed a job in just 1 month after consistently applying and following the steps in the course. He said it was crazy how quickly it happened when you've got the right strategy.
I've already got not only an interview, but I've got an actual offer. And so, I mean, it was just mind blowing to see in that quick of an amount of time to get, to land something.
There's no other online courses that give you this level of support, and it's really affordable. Coaches offer free workshops and even some one-on-one sessions for only $30. So if you need to meet 3 times, that's only an extra $90 to start a career in human resources, compared to the average price of over $100,000 for college. It's more valuable, and it's hundreds of times less expensive. Where Course Careers really stands out is the attention to getting people jobs, which brings me to my next point. The job search section is where everything is going to come together. So let me share a quick success story. Liz Diaz, she went from being a mom with a 2-year employment gap and no previous HR experience to landing her first HR job just 4 weeks after enrolling in the course.
What was that time frame, and what role did you land?
So I'm going to be looking at my calendar here just to make sure I have the dates right. It was 4 weeks from the day that I started Course Careers to the day that I received the job offer.
She says she's 1,000% sure that she would recommend Course Careers if you want to start a new career.
And so if a friend were interested in getting into human resources, would you recommend Course Careers?
1,000%. I would recommend it because of how impactful it's been in my life. I was worried. I don't know if other people can relate to this as well. Going from full-time mom, where you have 2 years of a work gap, to getting a job, it's challenging, and I've heard other friends have that challenge. And I 1,000% would recommend to each one of those friends that this is a career that they could definitely go into and land something and actually get into the field that they're looking at.
That's the kind of speed we're talking about. So after going through the course, you'll take a final exam, and after passing it, because I know you will receive your certification, which can add to your resume to show employers you've learned all of these skills. Now comes the time to showcase the skills you've learned to employers and land your new job. There's 3 parts to this job search section. The first thing is your resume. They've got software that can help you build your resume to make sure it's going to stand out when you're applying to jobs. They've also got videos walking you through how to create your resume, what keywords to include, and how to really show off the skills you've learned. What really stands out here is the specifics they give you to create a resume that's specifically designed for landing a job in human resources when you don't have any previous experience. The generic resume templates everyone else's uses won't work here because you're starting without experience. So they make it so your education and your skills pop, letting recruiters immediately see why you're a solid fit for the job, especially for remote positions. The second thing is your LinkedIn. This is super crucial for remote work opportunities since many recruiters look for candidates on LinkedIn. They give you guidance on how best to set up your LinkedIn so it matches your resume and optimize it for remote HR roles. Lastly, the part I haven't seen in any other courses is the step-by-step guidance on how to apply to companies the correct way to land interviews. And this is what speeds things up for you. The secret is not to just apply online and see what happens. That's the slowest way to get things done. Instead, it teaches you exactly how to find the right person in charge of hiring, how to get their contact information like an email, and how to pitch yourself to them the correct way so they'll want to set up an interview with you. This direct-to-hiring manager approach is why students are landing jobs in weeks instead of months. There's even exact templates that you can use. It doesn't matter how much you learn in a course or if you can't show your skills to employers. And that's where Course Careers does a fantastic job. This is what is going to make the difference between you landing a job quickly or struggling for months. This last feature is a nice benefit if you need some help along the way. Sometimes as you go through the course, there might be something you don't understand or want some help with understanding. Instead of looking online and hoping you can find an explanation somewhere that's going to make sense to you, you can get your questions answered in the course by Cora, the AI tutor. Cora knows everything inside the course and will even automatically suggest questions you might have as you're watching the videos. So for example, if you were watching a video about conducting performance reviews, it would automatically show you 3 questions you might be wondering. And all you have to do is click on it to get the answer. If you're still not sure about the answer it gives you, you can ask it to explain it to you like you're 5 years old, and it will. All while still watching the videos with no waiting. This kind of real-time support and feedback is the way to learn, and it's part of why students can move through the material so quickly. I honestly think this is the best course you can take right now if you want to land a work-from-home job in HR quickly. It teaches you everything you need to know, gives you the guidance you need to have an effective job search, to interviews, and to ace them, and gives you all the support that you will need from people who've done what you want to do. So think about this. While a 4-year degree costs over $100,000 and takes about 4 years, you could go through this course in 4 to 12 weeks for just $4.99 and land a remote HR job making $50 to $75K. Students like Liz are doing it in 4 weeks. That's not years, that's weeks. Students are getting jobs in 4 to 12 weeks, working remotely with the ability to design their lives the way that they want. That's exactly what I have, and it's incredible. Anything you like more details on, let me know down below in the comments. And while you're down there, hit the like button. As always, if you want to learn more about how to land a work-from-home job in human resources, follow me for more content.